Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the future of the TB3 Bayraktar drone. The TB3 is a Turkish-made male drone that has been used extensively in the recent conflict in Ukraine. It has proven to be a very effective platform, and there is a lot of excitement about its future. What is special about the TB3? There are a few things that make the TB3 special. First, it is very affordable. The cost of a TB3 is estimated to be around $5 million, which is much lower than the cost of other male drones. This makes it a very attractive option for countries with limited budgets. Second, the TB3 is very versatile. It can be used for a variety of missions, including ISR, armed attack, and electronic warfare. This makes it a very valuable asset for any military. Third, the TB3 is very reliable. It has a long endurance of 27 hours, and it can fly at altitudes of up to 27,000 feet. This makes it a very capable platform for long-range missions. What is the future of the TB3? The future of the TB3 looks very bright. There is a lot of interest in the drone from countries around the world, and there are plans to develop even more advanced versions of the platform. One of the most exciting developments is the planned integration of the TB3 with artificial intelligence. This will allow the drone to fly more autonomously, and it will make it even more effective in combat. Another area of development is the integration of new weapon systems on the TB3. This could include laser weapons, hypersonic missiles, and even swarm drones. The TB3 Bayraktar drone is a very promising platform with a bright future. It is affordable, versatile, reliable, and it is being constantly developed. I believe that the TB3 will play a major role in the future of warfare. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.